Hi there, and welcome to our Bold Subscriptions onboarding experience. My name is Alicia, and I'm an onboarding specialist here at Bold. In this playlist, I'll be walking you through all the necessary steps to sell subscriptions on your Shopify store. I encourage you to follow along and set your app up with me. First things first, you'll need to have the app added onto your Shopify store. If you didn't quite get there just yet, please click the link in the description box to get started. Now that that's out of the way, let's talk. Our Bold Subscriptions app is packed full of different features that enhance the e-commerce experience for your customers. By the end of this video series, you'll be able to successfully launch subscriptions on your store quickly and easily. You'll learn all the basics of the app along with helpful tips and tricks to enhance your customers' subscription experience. If at any point you require more in-depth information, check the description box of each video for related articles from our Help Center. Thank you for choosing Bold Subscriptions. Let's get started.